California, a state renowned for its stunning landscapes, vibrant cities, and rich cultural tapestry, offers an abundance of romantic destinations for couples seeking a getaway filled with love and adventure. From coastal retreats to charming wine country escapes, California has something special to ignite the passion of every couple. Napa Valley. Immerse yourselves in the heart of California's wine country, Napa Valley, where rolling vineyards, world-class wineries, and gourmet dining experiences await. Stroll hand-in-hand through picturesque vineyards, indulge in wine tastings amidst breathtaking scenery, and savor delectable meals at Michelin-starred restaurants. Carmel-by-the-Sea. Escape to the enchanting coastal town of Carmel-by-the-Sea, a haven of romance and tranquility. Stroll along Carmel Beach hand-in-hand as the gentle waves lap at the shore. Explore charming art galleries, cozy cafes, and boutique shops, and indulge in decadent desserts at quaint pastry shops. Big Sur. Embark on a romantic journey along the scenic Highway 1, winding through the rugged cliffs and pristine beaches of Big Sur. Hike hand-in-hand through redwood forests, witness the mesmerizing beauty of McWay Falls, and enjoy a sunset picnic overlooking the Pacific Ocean. Lake Tahoe. Nestled amidst the Sierra Nevada mountains, Lake Tahoe offers a picturesque backdrop for a romantic getaway. Take a scenic boat ride on the crystal clear waters, rent kayaks, and explore hidden coves, or cozy up by the fireplace in a luxurious lodge, enjoying the tranquility of the lake. Joshua Tree National Park. Discover the otherworldly beauty of Joshua Tree National Park, where towering rock formations and unique desert flora create a captivating landscape. Hike hand-in-hand through the park's trails, explore hidden caves, and gaze at the starlit sky under the vast desert expanse. Palm Springs. Indulge in the retro glamour of Palm Springs, a desert oasis known for its mid-century modern architecture and luxurious resorts. Relax by the pool, pamper yourselves with spa treatments, and enjoy a romantic dinner beneath the twilight sky. Santa Barbara. Immerse yourselves in the charming coastal town of Santa Barbara, known for its Spanish colonial architecture, beautiful beaches, and vibrant art scene. Stroll along the palm-fringed Cabrillo Boulevard, hand-in-hand, explore the historic Santa Barbara Mission, and enjoy a romantic picnic at Shoreline Park. San Francisco. Explore the diverse and vibrant city of San Francisco, where iconic landmarks, bustling neighborhoods, and culinary delights await. Take a romantic cable car ride, stroll through Golden Gate Park, and enjoy a picnic with panoramic views from Twin Peaks. California's captivating landscapes, charming towns, and vibrant cities provide the perfect backdrop for romantic getaways filled with love, adventure, and unforgettable memories. Hey everyone, thanks for sticking around until the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed the content and learned something new. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more awesome content. It would mean the world to me.